Here's some stuff you need to know.
When we go out to do estimates, and the first thing everybody wants to know is price. How much is it? How much is it? How much is it? And it's kind of the elephant in the room. Right?
Yeah.
And I tell homeowners all the time, there's two things that go into price. On one hand, you have the things that you or I, we have no control over. The size of your house, kind of windows you got, what kind of insulation you got, how many people are in the home, what city you live in. These are things we don't have control over. It just kind of is what it is, right? And then on the other hand are all things you have control over. How efficient you want it, what kind of warranty coverage you want, how noisy or quiet do you want it to be, what kind of protection do you want in your system. So our job is to figure out all the things that you or I, we have no control over, and kind of turn over every stone and figure out sizing and all that stuff and city, the things that we're gonna need to do for your city codes, and then present a couple really easy options for you that you have 100% control over in any budget that will work for you.
Right. I'm assuming you have financing.
100%, yeah. I mean, it's crazy to me how many homeowners, they think they gotta write a check for it. I mean, pretty much everything now, it's, we're trying to help people squeeze it in monthly budgets.
Yeah.
And so, and nobody's has a rainy day fund for when their AC is going out, right? A lot of times it's when it happens, oh no, I wasn't planning for it. I don't have thousands of dollars to just deploy to a brand new AC today. So we have options where, it's kind of no money out of pocket today, and sometimes some 0% stuff or some really low payments that's manageable monthly, that you can get the cooling and have that peace of mind and not have to worry about it without breaking the bank and depleting your savings account.
Yeah. Well, how can people get in touch with you?
Best way is go to the website, theontimeexperts.com.
Okay.
And bevy of information on there. You can also click the Book Now button at the top, put in exactly what you need, and it drops right into our system. We can get out to you.
Want more videos like these? Make sure to hit that subscribe button. It'll keep you informed.